Founded more than half a century ago, Ratto Company is leader in fastening systems. With its in-house production of high-performing and innovative components that comply with the needs and trends of the global market. Ratto is specialized in construction and industrial fields, concentrating its efforts to deliver top-quality products and services in a highly specific market. Located in Genoa, in the north of Italy, manufactures a complete range of first-rate screws and extra-long fastening systems using carbon steel, A2 and A4 stainless steel, copper, brass, and aluminum. But that's not all. Customers can also benefit from other services, such as fine blanking, product assembly, and painting. From 3D CAD rendering to lab testing, the company follows every step of the process of its 50 production lines that offer a wide range of solutions for industrial and construction use. In its cutting-edge internal laboratory, Ratto performs rigorous tests on any type of product and material. The lab also fully complies with ETA standards, allowing for constant quality monitoring and improvement. And when it's time to wrap it up, packaging operations are carried out by high-tech automatic equipment, capable of supplying blisters, boxes, and buckets, also with customized labels upon request. Ratto is happy to go the extra mile to support its customers with dedicated pre- and post-sales services. Every request is carefully analyzed to give targeted advice on all technical issues and/or product installation procedures, providing solutions tailored to the customer needs. A team of specialized technicians is also available to support the client until the work at the construction site is completed, guaranteeing quality and safety. But Ratto knows it doesn't end here, and that its responsibilities also extend to the environment. That's why it sets strict standards to increase sustainability and reduce the waste of resources in a day-to-day strive to maintain high levels of safety and efficiency. This is the vision that brought the company to become a leader in the fastener industry and overcome the challenges met in its path. A success fueled by a strong belief in the Made in Italy, driven by new technologies applied to production processes, and inspired by the fundamental value of communication.